If I wanted to make $20,000 a year, which dividend stock would be better, Lowe's or Home Depot? One share of Lowe's will cost you $227, and their stock is up a massive 380% in the last decade. Lowe's will give you $4.60 or 2% per year, but their dividend safety grade is D. They also have 60 years of dividend growth. Let's say I wanted to make $20,000 a year from Lowe's dividend. How many shares would I need? Just as an example, and what would it cost me? You would need 4,347 shares, and it would cost you around $990,000. Wow, that's a lot. All right, now do the same thing, but for Home Depot. One share of Home Depot is $352.54, and Home Depot is up 336% in the last decade. Home Depot will also give you a 2.54% dividend. It's about $9 per year, and their dividend safety grade is a C. And Home Depot has 14 years of dividend growth. How much would it cost me to make $20,000 a year from the Home Depot dividend? Well, you would need 2,222 shares, and it would cost you around $783,000. Wow, these videos are really helpful and eye-opening. You should make more of them. Sure, just smash the follow.